$20,000 doesn't get a headline. Nobody makes a video called How I Hit 20K and watches it go viral. We treat the first $1,000 like it's sacred, and we treat six figures like the finish line. 20,000 sits quietly in between, and almost nobody explains why it actually matters. My name is Mike, and I spend way too much time thinking about the exact moments where money stops feeling scary. If that sounds like you, stick around and consider subscribing while you're here. So what actually happens once you cross $20,000? First, the math starts pulling its own weight. At a modest, realistic return, $20,000 can generate more in a year than picking up a part-time job would. That's not early retirement money, but it's the first time your money is working roughly as hard as you are, and that changes how you think about every dollar after it. Second, it becomes real armor. A job loss, a car repair, a surprise medical bill, these used to be five-alarm emergencies. At $20,000, they become inconveniences. Now you might be thinking, $20,000 doesn't stretch as far in every city, and you'd be right. This number lands differently depending on your expenses. The exact figure matters less than reaching a point where a normal financial surprise doesn't wreck your month. Here's the part most people miss. The boredom hits right around here. The early progress felt fast, now it slows down, and this is exactly where people quietly stop contributing. Not because the plan failed, but because it stopped feeling exciting. $20,000 isn't proof you're rich, it's proof the system works, whether you're watching closely or not. So here's one move for this week. Look at what percentage of your income is actually going towards saving or investing right now, not what you plan to do eventually. Then automate a fixed percentage so it moves before you can spend it. Start small if you have to. The amount matters less than making it automatic. This video is for educational purposes only and isn't personalized financial advice, so weigh it against your own income, debt, and goals. If this helped you see your own number differently, subscribe. There's a lot more of this coming.